Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Kia Sorento steering wheel. Safety is paramount, so always begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. It's crucial to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes afterward, allowing any stored electrical charge to safely dissipate. Before you start, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and locked. You will also want to have your basic tools ready, like a flathead screwdriver and a socket wrench. Next, we will focus on the airbag module. You will find small access holes, typically 2 or 3, on the back or sides of the steering wheel. Gently insert a small flathead screwdriver into these holes to release the internal clips holding the airbag in place. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module away. Remember to disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back of the airbag, noting their positions for reassembly. With the airbag safely removed, unplug any other electrical connectors that might be attached behind it. Now, locate the large center nut holding the steering wheel to the column. Use a socket wrench to loosen this nut, but do not remove it completely. Leaving it partially threaded will prevent the wheel from suddenly coming off and potentially causing injury. Before removal, mark the steering wheel and the column shaft to ensure perfect alignment during reinstallation. Finally, with the center nut loosened, you can now gently pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. Be very careful not to rotate the clock spring, which is the delicate component behind the wheel, as this can cause issues. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring your alignment marks match up. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your battery and thoroughly test all steering wheel functions, including the horn and controls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.